Everybody just get it?
Hey, my man. Mark, come on.
Yeah, what's going on, fellas? My name is Sam. I'm Brian Bell. We're from Winston-Salem State and Soul Quest. First of all, I want to say good luck on y'all game. I heard y'all was about to play somebody that's nationally ranked. So I'm trying to make sure everybody get in. I'm from a neighborhood just like from you guys. I mean, it's pretty rough. A lot of people don't make it out. I'm one of the lucky few to go to college, make something of myself. And basically, we was doing this event just to make sure that, you know, everybody felt loved and, you know, got some type of appreciation.
And on my behalf, once again, I'm Brian Bell. I'm the student body president over at Winston-Salem State. I'm hailing out of Durham, North Carolina, and once again, you know, I've been attending a rec center just like this neighborhood, just like it. And you know how we are when it comes to shoes and sneakers, and we just wanted to make sure we come out and involve you all in that culture, you know, give you the opportunity to come share some of the world with us. So actually the money that was raised to get these sneakers was from the city. The mayor gave it to us. So we took that money, that check, cashed it, and brought it here to bless you boys with some kicks. I know how y'all know how we feel about it, so we wanted to make sure that you all, you know, were blessed with this.
Alright, and so the first name on the list is Kyrie Leach, size 8.5. That's good. You like this? LeBron straight? Yeah. Alright, you gonna shake for us? Take a picture. Look long. Size 10.5.
All right, everybody get your shoes. Everybody get your shoes and walk to the side. Make sure the ball in.
Let me see what you got.
You are. You can beat Marcus.
Oh no.
Oh, we got the phone.
This is Canel Caesar. I'm the center director for the William C. Sims Centers. Yesterday we had an event where they were able to bestow 15 different pairs of shoes to our youth in the ages of 18 and under. And with this being an at-risk community, it was very beneficial to the kids that are in this area, where some of them who can't even afford shoes were able to be blessed by these young men from Winston-Salem State putting on this event. To this extent, I'm praying that this could be something that is annually done, and it's very beneficial for the community. And I just want to say thank you to the fullest extent on behalf of the William C. Sims Center and the kids who actually come.
I'm Brian Bell, student body president at Winston-Salem State University. My take on the One Soul to Give event with the WSSU Student Government Association and Soul Quest, I believe it was a hit. It was a phenomenal opportunity for us to really actually involve ourselves in the lives of the younger generation. But no, overall, it was just a great opportunity to actually engage the kids, and I can see that they were enlightened. I actually saw a bit of confusion because it just seemed as though they weren't used to someone just giving them something like that. So they're just looking like, oh, this is for me. So it really took a moment to sit in, but by the time, you know, the whole process was over, we had given all the shoes out, you could really see, you know, the joy when we took the picture with them, and they were just like, wow, you know, these guys really just came, you know, just to do something nice to us, nice for us. And that's just essentially because, you know, we see them as our little brothers, little sisters, you know, and want to encourage them to do the right thing.
My name is Sam Holt, CEO of Soul Quest. Here we are at the William C. Sims Center, where yesterday we gave away gave away around 15 pairs of shoes. We just want to thank the Sim Center, Soul Quest, Winston SGA, Soul Test Boutique, and the Mayor of Winstonville is calling. We're looking to do this event annually, and hopefully it could go from city to city to where it's the whole nation, to hopefully the whole world. We don't want to have a child out there without a pair of shoes. This is something that's very important when you have people that, like myself, was a big sneakerhead, that have 30 to 40 pairs. I know people that have hundreds of pairs of sneakers, and it's children that I know that walk up and down the street daily without a pair. So we just want to make it a known issue with the One Soul to Give event. And there are people out here that really need a lot of help. And all it takes is one pair of shoes and one person to make a difference.